And welcome to Bon Appetit. Bon Appetit is more important when you're at a football game because guess what? It's something that you're really going to enjoy more when you can eat it outside and tailgating. And today we have with us Allie Cantrell from the Alabama Cattlemen Association. And guess what? Beef is perfect for tailgating.
Oh, yeah.
It's just
definitely.
one of those, it just, you know, you think about a hamburger and you think about things that are easy to make and they're quick to make. That's the nice thing about it.
Yes, definitely. So here today we've got some kebabs that y'all can put on the grill. That's probably the best place for it is on the grill. We could also put them in the oven. That's probably what we're going to do today. Once we get them all seasoned and everything, we've got them set up on our toothpick. Basically what I do is I cut up a top sirloin, or you can do a tenderloin as well. Just cut them into little inch thick steaks. Stick them onto your toothpick along with, or long skewer. That's the word I'm looking for, excuse me. You got your bell peppers, your onions. You could also add mushrooms to it. I've seen people do that.
Or tomatoes. Those little cherry tomatoes are good.
Right, tomatoes or mushrooms. I'm more of a bell pepper and onion type person, so that's kind of why I set that up the way I did. And then you kind of season it up with some oregano on the steaks, just to give it a little kick.
Interesting.
I'll be.
So
I never thought about that.
So we'll just spice it up a little bit and put some oregano on there. And then we'll get ready for the oven.
Let me just say one thing. If you want to like buy local, there's a cricket dust magic seasoning that's done by someone local here, and there's also the company out of Selma that does the char flavor too. And you know, buy local.
So Allie, these like the shish kebabs, you could actually prepare them up like the day before. And then just like you brought them over here already put together.
You can marinate them.
And this way you don't have to worry about extra stuff you're taking to the tailgate. You just bring it out and set it up.
Yes, sir. There's several ways you can do it. You can marinate them, you can get them ready for the next day, and then just get them on there, set them on the grill, and you're ready to roll.
And the main thing, though, Allie, I think a hint, you want to keep everything about the same size.
Yes, ma'am.
So that everything kind of cooks evenly.
Definitely.
Particularly your meat, these are probably not going to matter so much.
Especially the steak itself, because you want to cook them at 160 degrees, especially with steaks, just because you want to get that good sear around the steak and kill any bacteria that's on it, but also so that, and then it leaves a good pink center in the middle of it, and that's my preference. I like my steaks medium rare, so we want to get a good sear on the grill and then take them off.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Get them the way they need to be.
Again,
we need to let our viewers know any of these recipes are beef, it's for what's for dinner.
beefitswhatsfordinner.com.
It's kind of like the commercial used to say, beef, it's what's for dinner. They don't run those commercials much, so we have to remind our people, beefitswhatsfordinner.com. Go to the site, it has all kinds of beef recipes, and there's a section for tailgating. Ease.
Wow, that makes it easy.
Super easy.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll be right back right after this.